Today we're switching things up a bit because we got a special treat in store. It's time for a question and answer session. You've sent in your burning questions about trading, the market, strategies, and more, and I'm here to provide you with the answers you've been waiting for. From questions about risk management to the psychology of trading, and even some market-specific queries, your questions cover a wide range of topics, and I'm excited to dive into them. But before we begin, a big shout out to our incredible trading community for their engagement and support. You all make this channel what it is, and I want to express my gratitude for your continued participation. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Question 1. Hi Harry, how would you define your trading edge? Do you have mental preparation before trading? How do you keep believing in yourself when you feel like giving up? Debbie from Indonesia. Hello Debbie, thank you for the compliment. You asked 3 different questions and I will answer them individually. 1. How would I define my trading edge? For clarity, I would like to explain what a trading edge is. A trading edge refers to a systematic or strategic advantage that a trader possesses, one that allows the trader to consistently achieve profits or gains over the long term. Having a trading edge implies that you have a set of rules, be it mental or strategies that, when applied consistently, result in a positive expectancy, meaning that, on average, your trades are expected to be profitable. To address what I believe your question is aiming at, which I would rephrase as, what is Harry's trading edge? The straightforward answer is that I understand that nearly everything is beyond my control once I initiate a trade, except for how and when I decide to exit that trade. That's why, in my trading, I prioritize risk management above all other factors. In my view, it holds more significance than any type of market analysis. By not exposing myself to excessive risk and employing appropriate stop-loss strategies, I am confident that I can bounce back even if things don't go in my favor. Moreover, I conduct thorough backtesting and forward testing of every strategy before implementing it with real capital. This way, when situations deviate from expectations due to market volatility or any errors on my part, I am confidently going again without any hesitations. 2. Do you have mental preparation before trading? I have a simple mantra in image format on my laptop that I see almost every day before I trade. It says, act on your anger, act on your greed, and the market will dominate you. Starve your anger, starve your greed, and it will have no power over you. The quote highlights the significance of emotional mastery and serves as a daily reminder that trading success depends on my ability to keep emotions in check and follow my trading plan. You can also use this as a daily reminder, and I'd assure you it has the potential to diminish the impact of intense emotions such as anger and greed, leading to improved control over your trading actions. 3. How do you keep believing in yourself when you feel like giving up? Debbie, this question is tricky. The reality is that I don't possess a universal answer for it. I must say that my upbringing played a significant role in shaping my mindset. I grew up watching people close to me relentlessly pursuing their dreams, firmly believing that giving up was not a choice. Secondly, I had a taste of failure after my initial venture in business. And now I have a strong aversion to that feeling, and I can tell you one of the reasons I failed was because I didn't give it everything. And at the first sign of victory, I celebrated too quickly. Now, reverting to that state is something I am keen on avoiding. So I can't stop believing in myself. I learn daily, push myself. Not every day, though. Quoting one of the greatest college football coaches, Bear Bryant, if you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride, and never quit, you'll be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. This quote emphasizes the importance of self-belief, dedication, and perseverance in achieving success. It suggests that having confidence in oneself, maintaining a strong work ethic, and taking pride in one's efforts are key ingredients for success. While winning may come with challenges and require hard work, the potential rewards and satisfaction of achieving one's goals can make the effort worthwhile. This is the kind of encouragement that helps me stay committed and not give up when faced with challenges. I hope it helps you too. Question 2. How does one understand trading psychology deeply? Because I have tried, but I just can't seem to understand it fully. Stephen from South Africa. Hello, Stephen. Trading psychology is a fascinating topic. It is one that explores the emotions, beliefs, and behaviors that drive investment or financial asset trading decisions. It's about understanding how our minds work when we make these trading choices, and how to develop the right mindset so we can make better decisions. Some key areas of focus in trading psychology include learning to manage emotions like fear, greed, and anxiety, which can impact our trading decisions. The idea is for us to develop a growth mindset, a positive attitude, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. And also understanding how to manage risk and avoid common pitfalls like overconfidence, overtrading, and improving decision-making skills, and developing a systematic approach to trading. Regardless of your trading experience, you've likely encountered a situation where a trade moved against your position. You might have considered leaving it, hoping the price would return to your entry point. However, in many cases, this hope was in vain, resulting in significant losses. A trader who has developed a sound trading mindset understands that the market is indifferent to their individual circumstances. It's your responsibility to safeguard your interests by setting a stop loss that won't substantially impact your trading capital. This approach not only protects your financial well-being, but also preserves your mental health in the process. By understanding trading psychology, you can become a more effective and resilient trader, even in challenging market conditions. Question 3. May peace be on you. Brother, what is the importance of selecting pairs in Forex? Salman Killing. Peace be unto you too. If I were new to trading and had to choose a Forex pair, here's how I would go about it. I would start by selecting one of the major currency pairs. Major pairs such as Euro US dollar, British pound US dollar Japanese yen, and US dollar Swiss franc are known for their high liquidity and tighter spreads when compared to exotic or minor pairs. Next, I would focus on conducting both fundamental and technical analysis of the currency pairs. Fundamental analysis involves assessing economic and geopolitical factors that can impact a country's currencies, such as interest rates, economic indicators, and political stability. Technical analysis, on the other hand, involves studying historical price charts and patterns to identify potential trading opportunities. My geographical location would also influence my decision. For instance, if I were trading GBP USD, I'd consider the time when major institutions active in this currency pair are trading. It's important to align your trading hours with theirs to follow their trading activities. Lastly, the choice of a currency pair should be in line with your trading style and strategy. For instance, if you're a day trader, I'd recommend selecting a highly liquid pair with low spreads. Additionally, I would suggest focusing on just one currency pair initially. This approach allows you to gain a deep understanding of its behavior, the factors influencing its movements, and when it's most likely to experience significant changes. Question 4. How to keep the balance between constant losses and an empty pocket? Annie Gerald from Cameroon. Gerald, this is the question I asked myself when I lost money earlier in my trading journey. I think what you need to understand is how your mind works as regards trading and how the market functions. In the world of trading, behavior matters as much as, if not more than, technical knowledge and strategy. Your ability to manage emotions, maintain discipline, and make rational, data-driven decisions is essential for success. Traders who understand the psychology of trading and work to overcome their psychological barriers are more likely to achieve consistent profitability in financial markets. Continuous self-improvement and an unwavering commitment to psychological discipline can lead to a more successful and sustainable trading career. You should know that you will lose trades, possibly more losing trades than winners. But if you understand how the game functions, it won't give you sleepless nights. Please try read the Trading in the Zone book. The first video on this channel is a summary of that book, and over 200,000 people have seen it. You should too. It will be linked in the description. Question 5. ICT or SMC, which is better? Wiz Analysis. ICT, or Inner Circle Trader, is linked to a well-known trader and YouTuber by the name of Michael Huddlestone, who claims to have more than 2 decades of experience trading the market. SMC is a trading strategy, which stands for Smart Money Concepts. This concept was made prominent by Michael Huddlestone, the originator of Inner Circle Trading. On YouTube, the terms ICT and SMC are used interchangeably and convey nearly identical meanings. Question 6. What is position sizing, and what should you do after taking profit? Coach Kell. Position sizing is the amount of capital you allocate to a single trade or investment. Proper position sizing is a critical aspect of risk management and helps traders and investors control the potential impact of losses on their overall portfolio. and on what to do after you take profit, leave the market, and wait for your setup to appear on the chart again. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found the answers insightful and helpful. If you did, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing if you're new to our channel. Your support means the world to us. I want to extend a massive thank you to each and every one of you for your fantastic questions and for being part of this incredible trading community. Remember, learning is an ongoing journey in the world of trading, and we're here to support one another every step of the way. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, never stop asking questions, seeking knowledge, and refining your skills. That's how we become better traders and investors. Keep those questions coming because we'll be back next month with another Q&A sessions. If you want to stay updated and be the first to know when we release new content, make sure to hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss what we got in store. As always, trade wisely, stay disciplined, and remember that every question you ask brings you one step closer to your trading goals. Thanks for watching.